But be very careful whenever you are solving the example related to algebraic expression and identity, because small mistake can make your example wrong. Okay. So here, for which identity applied in which example, for that you need to solve more example. Okay. You need to do more practice. So you will be clear. You will be clear that in which example which identity we need to apply. Okay. તમને clearly ખ્યાલ આવે કે કયા એક્ઝામ્પલ માં કઈ આઇડેન્ટિટી એપ્લાય કરવાની છે. That's why you need to solve more example, do more practice for this example. Okay. Question number 6, AB plus BC whole square minus 2AB square C. So here you can see this is A plus B whole square. So which identity we can apply here? This is our first identity. So we will apply first identity, AB square plus 2 into AB into BC, AB 2 into AB plus BC square, that is B square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Last 2AB square C as it is. Now AB whole square, that is A square B square plus 2AB into B square C plus BC whole square is B square C square minus 2AB square C. Now you can see this is the term with positive sign and this is the term with the negative sign, so we can cancel out that. So it is A square B square plus B square C square. So this will be our answer. Now for next, m square minus n square m whole square plus 2m cube n square. Now here you can see this is the A minus B whole square. A is our m square, B is our n square. M square is our A and n square m is our B. A minus B whole square. So here we will apply A square minus 2AB plus B square plus 2m cube. Okay, so let's apply the second identity here. A is our m square, n square m, n square m. Clear? Now m square whole square, that is m raised to 4 minus 2 m square m, that is m cube n square plus n square whole square, that is n raised to 4 m square is m square plus 2m cube n square. Now here this is the number term with the negative sign, this is term with the positive sign. So remaining m raised to 4 plus m raised to 4 m square. This will be our answer. Now question number 5 shows that 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x is equal to 3x minus 7 whole square. Now here what you need to do? You need to show that this left hand side is equal to right hand side. So first of all we will solve the left hand side and then we solve the right hand side. If both sides are equal, then it is proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So let's start. Here we will solve left hand side first. First we have 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x. Now 3x plus 7 whole square, that is a plus b whole square. Okay, there are only two identity with whole square, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. So if it is plus sign, then first identity, and if it is minus sign, then second identity. So let's simplify. It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. If you write this way, then it will be easy to write term inside the bracket. And last 84x as it is. Now 3x, 7 and 7. Okay. Now 3x whole square, it is 9x square plus 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are 42x plus 49 minus 84x. Now can you see any like terms? Yes, these two are a like term. So we write plus 42 minus 82 become minus 42 plus 49. So this will be simplification of left hand side. Now let's find the right hand side, that is 3x minus 7 whole square. Now it is a minus b whole square, so it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. 3x, 7 and 7. 3x whole square, that is 9x square, minus 2 3s are 6, 7s are 42x plus 49. Now you can see this is our left hand side, that is 9x square minus 42x plus 49. This is our right hand side, 9x square minus 42x plus 49. Both are same, so we can write left hand side is equal to right hand side. Clear? Now next, question number 2. 9p minus 5q whole square plus 180pq is equal to 9p plus 5q whole square. So here, this is a minus b whole square. So we simplify, it is a square minus 2ab plus b square and plus 180pq as it is. This is our left hand side. First of all, we simplify left hand side. So 9p, 5q, 5q. Now let's simplify 9p square. That is 9 9s are 81p square. Now 5 2s are 10, 9s are 90pq plus 5 square 25q square plus 180pq. Now again, is there any like terms? So yes, 90pq, 180pq. This is negative, this is positive. So subtraction, 81pq, 90 minus 180 is 90 but with positive sign, because 180 is larger. So this is the simplification of left hand side. Now let's find the right hand side. We have 9p plus 5q whole square. So this is a plus b whole square. First identity, square plus 2 into ab plus b square. Now 9p, 5q, 9p whole square, that is 81p square plus 2 5s are 10 plus multiply 9, that is 90pq plus 25q square. Now you can see left hand side and right hand side are same, so you can write left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proof. Number 3. 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4n square plus 2mn is equal to 16 by 9m square plus 9 by 16n square. So here, this is our left hand side, so let's simplify left hand side. Now, you can say this is our a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, so we can write 4 by 3m whole square minus 2 4 by 3m 3 by 4n plus 2n, it is 3 by 4n whole square plus 2mn. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Now 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9, n square. Now you can cancel out this 4. It is 2mn, so minus 2mn plus 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, n square plus 2n. Now here this is negative, this is positive, so cancel out. So remaining term 16 by 9m square plus 9 by 16 n square. That is what you can see, this is our right hand side. So it is right hand side, means it is proved. Clear? Now next, 4pq plus 3q whole square minus 4pq minus 3q whole square. So here it is a plus b whole square, minus is there, a minus b whole square. Here you can apply first and second identity or third identity, because if you consider this one as a minus b whole, a square minus b square, जो तुमने खबर पड़े कि this is a third identity and you can apply third identity, or it is better to use first and second. So let's simplify this with using identity 1 and 2. So left hand side 4p cube plus 3q whole square. So we simplify this as a 4p cube whole square plus 2 into 4p cube into 3q plus 3q whole square. So this is simplification of first. Minus is there, so we write bracket 4p cube whole square minus 2 into 4p cube into 3q plus 3q whole square. Clear? Now 4p cube whole square, that is 4 4s are 16, p square q square plus 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, pq square plus 9q square. 3 square is 9 and q square is q square. Now minus is there, make a bracket 4p square q square, 4p whole square, that is 16p square q square. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 minus 24pq square. 3 square, that is 9q square. Okay. Now here negative sign outside the bracket. So whenever we open the bracket, all sign inside the bracket will change. So it is 16p square q square plus 24pq square plus 9q square minus 16p square q square plus 24pq square minus 9q square. This is plus become minus, minus become plus and plus become minus. Now like terms. So p square q square, p square q square, 16 is plus, 16 is minus, so cancel. 9q square minus 9q square, so it is also cancelled. Remaining term 24pq square, 24pq square, addition 48pq square, and this is what? It is our right hand side, so it is true. Now next, a minus b, a plus b plus b minus c, b plus c plus c minus a, c plus a is equal to 0. So let's solve left hand side. A minus b, a plus b plus b minus c, b plus c plus c minus a, c plus a. So here, can you see? This is the third identity, a minus b, a plus b. This is third identity and this is also third identity. A square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b. So here we can write a square minus b square. For this we can write b square minus c square. And for last we can write c square minus a square. Now like terms, a square minus a square cancel. Minus b square plus b square cancel, minus c square plus c square cancel. So answer is 0, and that is our right hand side. Clear? Now, question number 6. Using identity evaluate. So here you need to use the identity and find the answer. 71 square. So here you can find 71 can be written as 70 plus 1 whole square. Now which identity is this? This is a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it is 70 square, 70, 1 and 1. 70 square is 4900 plus 7 2s are 40 means 140 plus 1. Now add 1 4 0 5 0 4 1. So this is our answer. Clear? Now second, 99 square. We already saw this kind of example in square and square root. So 99 square is 100 minus 1 whole square. So 100 minus 1 whole square, it is a minus b whole square. So it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here our a is 100. So 2 into 100 into 1 into plus 1 square. 100 square is 10,000 minus 200. 2 into 100, 200, 1s are 200. So it is minus 200 plus 1. Now 10,000 minus 200 is 9,800 plus 1. That is 9,801. Now next 102 square. So it is written as 100 plus 2 whole square. 100 plus 2 whole square. So it is 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 2 plus 2 square. 100 square is 10,000. 2 2s are 4 into 100, 400 plus 4. Now if you add, you will get 1040. So this is our